it's time to work out percentage attendance. So if I look at Andrew here, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sessions. He's been present for 88 sessions. That means his attendance is 80%. If I simply multiply total sessions present by 10, I'll get the percentage attendance. So I click in the cell, I type in my formula, and I say make this cell equal to cell L2 multiplied by 10, and it tells me he's got 8,000%. Now the reason for this is because at the top here, that cell has been set up with a percentage data type. Now I want to change that, so I'm going to click on it, I'm going to right click it, and then I'm going to go to format cells down here. On this screen here I can choose the data type on the left, so I'll click on the left hand tab for number. I'm going to go down to the second option, which is number. I don't actually want any decimal places on this cell, so I'm going to say I want 0 decimal places. Negative numbers, well, I'm not really too fussed about those, but I'm hoping we're not going to get negative attendance. So I'll select negative 1, 2, 3, 4 in red there. I click OK, and my cell is now giving me an attendance of 80%. Once I've done that, I can replicate it down, and there you go, that's the attendance for my students.